Good morning, all. How are we all doing? It's a lovely Wednesday morning. It's going to be another stonking hot day again. So, yay, I'm looking forward to it. But at the same time, it's not going to be so great for me because I'm going to be in a council chamber all day providing training for our local businesses. The only positive thing about all of that is that the council chamber is large in its area and it's very cool in there. So, yeah, but I'd rather be out by the beach. Fortunately, during the sort of 2-hour lunch break, I can just wander down to the beach, which is 5 minutes away, and just sit down for half an hour or so, eat a sandwich before I wander back to carry on with the training. God. But anyway, so today, before I sort of go into work, I thought I would sort of start tucking into my April American Beauty boxes. Yeah, you remember the American ones? Here it is. This is the box that finally came. It went all around the world just to get to me. So in the end, I got my May boxes before I got my April boxes. This, as per usual, was stuck at Heathrow. They decided that Royal Mail was going to be the courier service that was going to deliver it to me, and because of that it got stuck at Heathrow for, it was about 4 weeks. It was about 4 weeks it was stuck there for, before, after several phone calls and my polite inquiries turning into complaints, it was only then I finally got to this woman who was a star, and she just said, right, don't worry, I'll sort this out. 2 days later, my box arrived. So here it is. It has got my, you know what, I can't even remember what my April stuff had in it. So there should be 1 or 2 glam bags in there. There should be 1 BoxyCharm by Ipsy, which used to be the old Glam Bag Plus, and there might be some add-ons in there. I haven't got a clue. So what I'm going to do this morning, I'm going to be putting on my makeup, sort of prepping my skin because it's going to be a really hot day, and I'm just going to pick out one of these and open it up. So here we are. Let's pick out this. I don't know what's in this. This looks like it's just got an add-on or something in it. It feels very, very light. But before I do that, let me just prep my skin. So I've already put my primer on. So before I put my foundation on, I'm just going to powder my skin, so set my primer, then I'll put the foundation on. So let me just do that quickly. I will speed through this. Right, if you're wondering why I do that, it's something that us very oily women people do. It's a way of helping just our foundation and our makeup just to last a little bit longer. The problem is, once your skin starts producing oils, your makeup starts to break up and there's nothing you can do after that. Yes, you can blot your face, but there isn't really much you can do. Your makeup is going to start disintegrating. So I need my makeup to last at least 9 hours today. So I expect by about 11 o'clock I'm going to be starting to show some serious oil, so I will be doing a blot, but all these little extra steps that I'm doing, it all helps. It really all helps. So I'm going to do that. So let me just make that powder set. Let's open up this bag and see what's in it, because as I said, I can't remember anything. As I said, it was back in April. Oh, what's this? What's this? Add-ons. What we got here? So we have got here, oh, I remember this. So this is from, I think this was, these might be my add-ons actually. I do remember this. So this is from Ole Henriksen. I don't know how you pronounce it. Yep, that product. And it is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Stick. Enhanced vitamin C, caffeine and brightening pigments. Now, if I remember correctly, yes I do, there was, I can't remember if this was my BoxyCharm by Ipsy, so the old Glam Bag Plus. This was a product that was chosen for me, but the product they chose for me, the shade they chose for me, was a colour apricot, and I felt that might not be right for me, because how I understand this product is used, it's used as a brightening product for under your eyes, or you can use it as a colour corrector. So I wasn't quite sure So the apricot I felt could be a brightening product, but then it also had another shade, pumpkin, which wasn't selected for me, which could be used as a concealer. So let me have a quick look and see. It says brighten and color corrects blue dark circles on medium and deep two deep skin tones. All right, let's open this up and show. This is a product that is sold here in the UK, £20, but again I'll find the full price, how much it's being sold for here. So this is what the product looks like. Okay, yeah, I'm not surprised it's a little bit damaged after the poor treatment this box has been through. That's what it looks like. So I can see this as a color corrector. I'm going to try it now actually. So areas where I normally need a bit of colour correction, it's just these areas along here which are a little bit darker. See, I've put the powder on already, haven't I? But oh hey ho, let's try. Yeah, so this is a good colour for colour correcting. So if I just do it around my mouth, and I suppose this is the lower parts of my face that needs it. And I have got sort of dark sections. You know what? I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna but it's very creamy, so that's good. And how am I going to blend this out? What am I going to use? Should I use a sponge? I'll use a sponge, so I'll just use this and just press it in a little bit. It's a dry sponge, but I'll just press it in. But yeah, I do remember this. Okay. So that's my first product. That's okay, I'm all right with that. And then the second product, which I'm assuming I got as a add-on, was from Kate Somerville, and it's the Goat Milk Moisturising Cream Hydrate Condition and Restore, Revitalise and Restore. It's a moisturiser. It says, growing up with eczema, oh, my mum would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to nourish, replenish and nourish skin. Okay, that's cool. It's got milk proteins, jojoba and avocado oils, and it deeply hydrates and conditions and soothes skin. Now, what was my thinking in getting this as an add-on? I can't think. Was I thinking about this for my daughter, possibly? So my daughter doesn't really have oily skin, or sort of, my daughter's skin now, she's a young woman, so she'll get the odd pimple and that sort of stuff, or normal combination skin my daughter has. My sister is the one who has dry skin, so maybe this is something I could probably give to her. Maybe I was thinking about putting this on for sale on eBay, possibly. Not sure what my intention was with this, so I'll put that aside for now. Okay, so that's that one. Right, let's put some of the foundation on. So the foundation I'm putting on today, well, it's a CC cream. It's the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Oil Free Matte, and it's got SPF, SP5, 40 UVA, UVB, and the shade I've got it in is in Deep. So let's put that on quickly. I'm not going to put on a heavy load, just enough to just even up my skin. So it's kind of like a 3/4 pump there. I think that's enough, isn't it? Yeah, that's enough. Right, I'll let that sit for a bit and then I'll find another bag. Yeah, looks all right, doesn't it? Yeah, I'll let that sit for a bit. Got another bag here. This, I think, could be a glam bag, she says. No, I think this is more add-ons. I don't know. I really don't know. I have no idea. Right, glowish. I think this is all add-ons, so I'll come to that afterwards. Yeah, I think that's all add-on. Let's see if I can find a glam bag. I obviously bought I know there was a month when I bought a lot of add-ons, but I can't remember which month it was, or if it was just a combination of several months. Right, what's this? Right, that's more add-ons again. If you see, there's just like one tube in there in this big bag. Right, hopefully this is a glam bag. Let's hope. Got to be a glam bag in here somewhere. Yeah, oops, this is a glam bag. Right, and everything falling out. Okay, so this is everything that came in my April glam bag. Let's show you the design of the bag. So the design of the bag is pretty. It's like a cotton canvas material, and on the back it says look good, do good. Yes, that's a message for everybody, isn't it? Look good and do good. Focus on the do good. Right, so here we go. So the glam bag is the small sort of bag of 5 deluxe samples. The bag costs $13, but you get a $1.99 handling fee, so it's $15. From now on, I'm not going to keep saying $13 plus the handling fee. I'm just going to give the rounded up price. So it's $15, which works out to about 11 to 12 pounds, depending on what our conversion rate is. But it's £11.50 to £12 is that kind of price. So here we go. You get 5 deluxe samples inside the bag. The bag will have, sometimes it will have one full-size item in there. Obviously the full-size item isn't going to be huge because it's got to fit inside this or inside the mailer bag, which I've discarded. It's got to fit inside the mailer bag as well. So there you go. All right, okay, let's have a look. There's no card telling me what's in the item. Let's have a quick look. No. So the theme in April was, I don't know, anything is possible. I think that's the April theme there. Anything is possible. A new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you. While we're bringing the best of Ipsy, we're bringing the best of Ipsy and BoxyCharm together. So this was the first month. Yeah, April was the first month of the full merger when they sort of change the names of products. So while we are bringing the best of Ipsy and BoxyCharm together under Ipsy to create the ultimate beauty membership, get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring, making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month, after all, experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing every gorgeous side of you. All right, let's see if there's anything I can put on today. So what we have, first item here, is from Living Proof Curl Elongator for coils. Okay, conditioning styler. I've got a feeling I might have chose this item. I do like Living Proof products. They've got decent quality products that can be used on all hair types, and this is something that I can use and my daughter can use in our hair, just as a leave-in conditioner. Just helps our coils, our little curls, to bounce naturally, even my little 4C curls. So this is all good. That's item 1. Item 2, so this is from Benefit. Benefit have got a new range of products, skincare products, and they sort of come in this yellowy and silvery boxes. So this is the Professional Good Cleanup, and it's a pore purifying foaming cleanser. So that's cool. I got the toner the other month in a glam bag. Inside of the box it says, what's that say? It says laughter is the best cosmetic. It is, because it lifts your face. Because if you walk around with a frown, your face will be downturned and you'll look miserable for the rest of your life. Remember what our parents and grandparents used to say? If you stay like that, the wind will catch you and your face will stay like that. So yeah, keep smiling, guys. So there you go. It comes in a sort of tin thing, and it's a foam cleanser. I do like foam cleansers. So this will either be used by myself or my daughter. It says apply to face and massaging gently, circular motions, rinse and use daily, AM and PM. Use after the Professional Get Unblocked cleansing oil. Okay, they got a cleansing oil as well. Okay, so that is cool. I'll probably get the cleansing oil in another month then, because I've got the toner, got the cleanser, so I just need the toner now. But I think I'll probably give this to my daughter. So that's my second item. Third item, nope, that's not it. Third item is from the new company. This is Barrier Culture Moisturizer. It's just a moisturizer, isn't it? Applied to clean, dry skin. Yeah, it's just a moisturizer. Pre-Pro Postbiotic. Just a moisturizer. So that's obviously something that what do you call it, chose for me. Ipsy chose for me. This is from Cab Cosmetics. So Cab Cosmetics is the brand that's owned by one of the housewives program. I think it's the one who's going through divorce and a whole load of financial issues. Is it Kim? Something like that? Kim Broziak? I don't really follow I don't follow American reality TV at all. I don't follow UK one either. I just find it all ridiculous. So this is it's a liquid eyeliner, felt tip eyeliner in matte black. I'm not going to open this. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, to be honest, but we've got it here. And then final product is from I Am Beautiful. This is a mascara from Real Her. Okay, yeah, Real Her. This is quite interesting about this brand. So from what I remember, this brand was started by a father to celebrate his daughter or daughters, and so everything about the brand in their names and stuff is a reflection of his daughters' names, of who they are, their personalities or whatever. So I thought it was kind of cool. So father celebrating his daughter or daughters. So this is a mascara, I Am Beautiful. Okay, cool. So my items in my glam bag were, we got a mascara, we got a foaming cleanser from from Benefit. So this is what I call a proper brand. We got Living Proof Curl Elongator, a decent amount. This is another what I'd call proper brand. So we've got two big brands there. We've got this Cab Cosmetics, what was it again? Liquid eyeliner. I don't see that as a proper brand. I just see that as people making a cash grab, trying to make some money, using a little bit of their fame to try and make money. It's usually private label stuff from AliExpress or whatever, but hey ho. And then we've got the new company, which is a brand, and I am seeing products from this brand now in the UK. So this is, I think I've seen it in Space NK or Cult Beauty, and this is a moisturizer. So those are my 5 products from Glam Bag, this in April. So there you go. Cool. Yeah, it's all right. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. 12 quid. I mean, if you compare that to GLOSSYBOX, I could use all of these products compared to what I can use with the GLOSSYBOX products. Yes, if I was going to compare prices, compare that to GLOSSYBOX, I'd say the Glam Bag. Even though I'm not that keen on all the products, I can use all of the products. No, but it's my choice saying that I don't want to use it. No, bit of a difference. Okay, so that's the Glam Bag. I will go on and do some other bags later on, but I need to finish my makeup and get off to work. So I will catch you all later. Is my face starting to... Is it starting to melt? What's going on up here? Oh shit, what's going on here? Oh dear, what is happening here? I hate it when this happens. This is sweat. The sweat does this. It just looks like it's starting to break up. Okay, I'm going to do my contour and the rest of my stuff, and then I'm out of here. I'll go. Catch you all later. I will see you soon. Bye.